Yo Ghana for nyina mechia mo bibia wo ba bibia wo bia wo hwe me Nyankopon hyira wo. Radio a short news bibiki to be short message na me pese me de ma Ghana for. Hwe mata adwene ho anadwe nyina manda. Me hu se basa ye anase bibi ebesi wo man no ma Ghana asofo ka ho. Asofo ka ho papa so ho se Nyankopon yi bibi kire mo a onkama no ntum wo de yedin na hwe na hu sampa de Nyankopon yi kire me no abam wa ha. And the next time then me ba beka so ho e wo so hu se Nyankopon beka ho but ni pan so aso den Nyankopon beka se ni pan so den say pa mo na battle na ndi se befa na say ni se de mo si ayi pa ntu betimi akogina puppet me pra ma fere ama asofo no so mo betimi akogina puppet pa preach biem e wan wo so hu se Nyankopon beka but ni pa na ekoto aba no Nyankopon aka no soro but nipa ene kwoto aba na wa nkan so ankere me akwasi o wa nkan kire sister adura wote achemota wa nkan kire wo bia wa ka kire wo sofo na adura nso okote ote achemota wo kwoto aba no wo no wanti de nyame aka hwe Israel for eno kwa de Moses Nyankopon said that the 10 commandments bre Moses said je komo man na me man hwawe so no mundi so eno kro man di so Nyankopon be kan but nipa so den e na ema your friend say Jonah ko she ebuase no enti no bi mu hu ba bia ya mo nkama no ntum kakra mesra mo pa mesra mo na de ma ye nkra mama fawe kra na sofo a efi sa mene ko pa me ka say obi mbua me na me nsori e magi fi kra obi antimi da bia mo ke kan sem e ke kan nipa tribo mu saa hu se nyame aka be bia dadam na ye din boso mpaye ye pasum due ye mo ye no emboa afi de hwe social media so e de ekoso nti mesre efi na ko wow sofo a me hu se wo ye dede e na se ni se hye nkom basa bia me ameba wa so do aba bo serious one pa aba bo cause enye fine de mo ye no enye fine onkama no ntum din e your mind baako MPP wini a Ghana baako NDC wini a Ghana baako MPP ni NDC omu nyina obi abedi oman so pen obi abedi oman so pen MPP abedi oman so pen NDC abedi oban so pen obi anu otimi ye Ghana heaven obi anu otimi dane Ghana heaven nti mesre Ghana so for mon kama no ntum mo yesa na mo gu Nyankopon ehu fin enye fine me da ma se samati afutu e we Ogidi Brown na me de afutu e ba wow
abusuafo mema monyina akwaba ba free my family yenua Kevin Taylor say de ononso aba bedane odifo a ode ne nkomhye atodwa na Kevin Taylor say nana adodankwa ekufuado eye Ghana ye mampani say yeso ni ino say yanso ni ino nanado asofofo a omo eboa no say obetimi esi national cathedral no omo empire manopa na omo entimi emano NC cathedral no before July this year because nanado enchibia obesa so akọ London na say ni opesa oka ne say nana adodankwa ekufuado de acha ne by July this year na nana atoa nananom ewo NC edo enti cathedral no omo modern say obetimi esi before July na enkomsha e free Kevin Taylor honso eba no nti abusua yentie eye Kevin Taylor na se wi asanya mu nyina monim no matre madwen yentie Kevin
nyame bie meni no Nyankopon e bie meni no wo medaye mu no o se nana de danko ekufuado say ye sweani in and I say yan sweani in a also otukwan ko landing biem eye very important nyame bie meni na meduru baby no na shen a plane your friend ni twi your friend saying I alloplay mi ensane siwo na alloplay no mi twi mi ni din alloplay nyame bie meni na aeroplanes 3 ena na siwo ena mi wura ba ko mu no na ba ko na empa ne sim ena nyame sa bie meni ena mi wura second one na mi wura mu no na eye Rebecca Ekufuado ene team na waye din na third one na mi wura mu no eye alloplay third one no na ye fundaka ne sim na sa aeroplane nyina na wo UK na ni nyina ba betu aba Ghana ene ntina Nyankopon fa me so nyame bie mani obia mani ka ho ma hu say nti be ka sa nyoma ni nyina bo mu nam ana nyame say Kevin de obetima ka kire man no wo dae no dae a wasono no nana adodan kwekufo ada asofofo a moboa no ama na si cathedral no omomboa no omombom paye na nana ntumi si cathedral no before July so nana adodan kwetumi si cathedral no before July dia atoyere nchembe to Ghana ai enti nana mbom paye mu odin medie nyame na nam meso na meka menka say me boy free mi kotodwom me say onyame ene nam meso sene nyame nam asofofo so endro mo ka omo de no me na me pesam no bia competition to bia wie ne de a na maka me de nyame nam meso na oka enti omo say asofofo am Ghana yambom paye mu odin yemfa ngina na adodan kwekufo ado na yesweni ino immediately na nado danko ekufuado obesa akọ London on check kra na nado danko ekufuado ebesa akọ heaven inti moma yembo eno so hompaye 2020
yo mohu owu honkom sha Ghana edifo binom asha yaka ho asem aka na so yempanimfo ene Ghanafo aye omo ho senia omo enhu nia ekoso ana se omo aye omo adwen se omo enka ho asem no mahu ba bia ababedro se Kevin Taylor nso ede ne ho agye mu bi efri Kevin Taylor so a afoforo nso ede omo ho bagimti ebe kakra no Ghana it will be a country of prophets me say senka owo prophecy anase owo ho enkomhye eye adwuma anka Ghanaians will go into extinction because anka yebe use eno as a tool to kill each other ka we hye we honkom na we nso abehye we ka yebe hu ana ye na ye wu afri oman no ni edi kan no ma me en condemn ensem a ye nua Kevin Taylor e kan ye in totality me condemn me aha na me te no me neutral sebi osu bempa e na eba bonten be kan ya nka me condemn beduko bi me condemn Nigel Gezi me condemn obi bia me condemn sanso na se Kevin Taylor nso aka o se me condemn efa John Dramani Mahama ho ame condemn sanso na efa nana adodankwa Ekufuado hu e wo se me condemn because me no sebi me neutral and I don't support nonsense me nso so sebi nsimhunu ne nkwase asem so sebi se enkomhye no efa obi a me ne ntem enye fine krampo I will still condemn it because ye de yemi a enya me de me no I believe in the law of karma. What goes around comes around. Ni obedua no eno na obetwa. Nana adodankwa Ekufuado, your excellency. On say sa nyoma we ehya ase no. Why wo ho say onka eho asem and I say you are behaving as if you have not seen what is going on in Ghana. In your tenure as president and I say omampani no na edifo and I say asofo sebi efu abeben e wo Ghana a obia entimi enka omo asem na edifo ni asofo omo ye nia omo pe menka se emra na oma medi omampani na edifo ni hoda bi na omo wo ho na omo egusu eyi omo concert no na so in your tenure as president no ababe too much according to my own observation abaye too much yet Ghana ha na osu bempa etimi ehye chief imam honkom se sabi mpredu asa papa yi oba be wu afri wiase nanado wantimi anka ho hwe uyi obi ankose nana otumi ejina saa ade no so a osu bempa eye no senia osu bempa eklemi anase obrage se oben wo ampanso quite obvious se oben anase owo access to you enuntina emra 2016 uwini ye no ofa na ntwa bebe hye wo sam ni ade ntinko se emra obehye chief imam honkom no ko se wujina saa ade no so e de frɛ osu bempa na aka cha ni se osu in fact midi for no me pewasempa na Ghana so ye mra no e ma ho kwan se obi abetimi a practice religion bia ope obi abetimi age religion bia ope bia edi na so wusu ba bia wo kono etro ba bia wo kono ani enyan wusu saa onkomhye we be wu ni atantan de enkomhye no wusu e ka me nkwa nka jai emwa wo se enya me na me ye omampani kura emwa wo ankasa wo ministry no enti wusu jai nanado went me anka honhwe went me anka word because one kasa no say according to the way I see things no we are heavily indoctrinated udifo kwabnata wi akra babontin be share ho kom say ubewu wanka ho asem bia because you support these so called prophets and pastors which is obvious nana one say akwa ababesi wu awoso one say ubi so tiago chira o share ho kom say by July na wawu afri wiase enye saa na yebu o man nana with all due respect president Ghana for with the issue of cathedrals, you know, Ghana for anto about Mause BC Cathedral. There be Nana. Ghana for eto about Mao because of free SHS. Ghana for eto about Mao because Ujina simpi so catch Ghana for say Ghana for yetisika so now so come DN and nunti na Ghana for ejina so edito abano Mao in 2016 say nana saa sika na wo ka eho asem no be fa sane be ya Ghana man bitimi eto mpon sane be ya yenso yebetimi eho enkan ko bi e wo ya brabom enye cathedral sienti na Ghana for to abamao now so ye kan ho asem kan we muwa e na kofa excavators ebubu judges adan ya the state resources na isi ye wo bubu ni na eguse o di ba be si cathedral na enye say na yebu o man enye fe me enye cathedral no per se na me against o there be me senka Christian council and as a Christian community na omo coming together say on be si cathedral ama omo ho a come any problem omo so didie no and they have the right to put up any ultra modern cathedral of their choice. Now so my problem is a certain president mum ena odi animu import a boa every Israel say they see cathedral. That is where my problem is because enye nunti ena Ghana for eto abama wo na Adonankwa Ekufuado. For manifesto and asem NPP manifesto in 2016 no na cathedral sie bia enim in 2020 crampo no na cathedral sie bia enim. That is where my problem is. Say a certain president on say nana you have the right to have your belief as a president. What you say obi an ni gidie me amete hey I equally have my belief they say I believe in myself. What you must say it also ugidi say nyame be separate from you or ti baby na Jesus be we ase a ugi ni dia. That is your own personal problem. Now so the moment and I said the very day Ghana for eto abama as omampani no saa da no na nko say odi belief no eto nchen nanka oka Ghana for nyina ebom because the moment you try to as a side with one religious group now omani is so obvious say you are with this group of people no the other religions will feel sidelined and do not feel part of the country, do not feel involved. What must cathedral see no na enye waduma cathedral sie enye waduma na Adonankwa Ekufuado your excellency cathedral sie enye waduma entina wo call abrochira in the advanced world no they have separated the church from politics mo de mo de na yenso yenye de. It's as simple as that because the moment I the politics any religion ever join no say o man no and that is what we are witnessing in Ghana. And until Ghana I suffer and any D4 aje o man no abosu a obi a entimi enka o masem no and until nyame beye nyame say say o man no and until your whole president crowd to make us say the battle is the Lord's. Your whole president crowd to make us say hi Rollins sebi the former president wenya ni baby kokrampo no debi yibe hie na yibe hia ewo sebi asamado na say o man bi so oh this words Krambo say your president Nankasa no or you heavily indoctrinated and I combine politics and religion no and I say o man no e collapse our dear country Ghana. You can't most see a time as of war. You can't most see a time Muslim and you Muslim and I time we stand for the truth. It me Ghana had nobody has the right to prophesy the death of anybody. I condemn it. Nobody has the right to prophesy the death of anybody, be it John Mahama, be it Ekufuado, be it Owusu Bempah, be it everybody, be it the ordinary Ghanaian. No prophet or an individual has the right to prophesy the death of anybody. Kevin Taylor and the act, I condemn it. Reverend Owusu Bempah, I condemn it. Bedu Kobi, I condemn it. Udifo and I say Obia or sorry Eshe Obi who won't come she biano, I condemn it. Obia or prophesy disaster biano, I condemn it. We cannot run a country like this. And you say na yibu o mai. And you say na yibu o mai. Yemfa a D4 emu mai. Me na me kame chiremo. Ghana se be say o mai no etu mpona o mai no ekọ na nimu a enye a D4 and na ye de building o mai, ye the intellectuals. Ye the thinkers. You're the engineers, you're the doctors, you're the economists, you're the scientists, you're the omo nimdie na ebuild your mind, you're the timemufo omo knowledge and wisdom na ebuild your mind enye asofo enye edifo You see? Me say, so who say obi abodwe say share na wasa insu esi wodi ho. Eniwa we sha ase Ghana fo bu omo ni aguso obi a me say obeka ho hwe ye mpanimfo nyina ayedin omo nyina ayekom say akwa say Kevin Taylor ede ne ho agim. Eba akra na obi ada ne ho odifo Ghana. In a country are you producing a D4 and pastors more than intellectuals, that country is heading to destruction. And that country is bound to fail because instead of us to produce intellectuals, we are here producing a software and a D4. Almost contributed to the development of me who almost on for so crowd Ghana. A D4 software moji omudi me who almost on for so Ghana. Apart from scamming the people, apart from duping the people, apart from extorting the people, me who are DBA omoya Ghana PM. So you see where the country have got into. Nana do dan kwa Kufuado. Ni ameke chat one say your excellency ungu why Kevin Taylor so senya uzu bempa na dwen no de ka no senya asofo anase edifo aka ni na no omadwen na omode ka no sa na Kevin Taylor so na dwen na wo kanti nana ungu why enkwa de me hu ni say wo nkwa sebi predators enkwa enemy nsem na so me so me opinion na me express say wo nkwa you have at least so many years ahead of you nana do what is right for the country Ghana and your ma ebe bua Ghana for into shall say 2016 percentage of votes are unya in 2020 a drop here because most Ghanaians or some Ghanaians are not happy with the way things went in your first 4 years. In the second 4 years here when nana, this is the time to make amends. This is the time to put the country first, and this is the time to put religion aside, to put Israel stone aside and Israel water and all these things aside, and focus on developing the country. Say nebeya, say Ghana ni, oye kremoni, say oye Christo ni, say oye Dunsi ni, say oye sebi. No matter say oye Hindu ni, say oye Buddhist ni, they will also benefit from the resources. They will also benefit from the development, and they also feel included in the national cake. It's very simple. Tinana mestre se ye leaders no momfa mu na ensi form na sa enkomhye hunu sa atantade enkomhye sa owo enkomhye we munyai mo nye emrabi na enstop sa ade no na emuaye. It's as simple as that. Me do asese wa hwe me do asese wa tie me. My name is George Freemind and you are part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time, have a lovely day. Peace, bless up. Bye.